Hello, and welcome to another update on ADA. I'm here on the weekly chart currently, and we can see that the market is currently holding below all those previous, below the trend line, right? So those previous swing highs here in March, where the price topped at around $1.19, $1.20, and then the swing high in December at 134. Those generated this trend line, and this trend line was then tested in August again at $1. And the price could not break above this trend line. This last touch point there reinforced the trend line. So this is one that needs to be broken. It's currently coming in directly below $1. So let's say, yeah, a break above $1 is needed, of course, for an indication we're really on our way to the next move up. I mean, I'm already, this is already the thesis, right? That we are in the fifth wave. That's how it's labeled. The fifth wave is likely going to take us into that blue zone. $1.47, first key target and resistance, and then $1.79 with the option of extensions, of course. For example, in the orange scenario, that's a roadmap that can, deliver higher prices. But first of all, let's see if we can actually hold micro support. It looks like that. And if we can break out above this trend line, that would be the next step, yeah? So taking the price above like 98 cents is the next objective, but then also the last swing high would be helpful around $1 too. Yeah, this is the swing high from August, roughly the $1 area, which is also acting as a psychological resistance level, you could say. So let's take a look at the ADA short-term chart. By the way, if you enjoy the analysis, everyday content, videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also leave a like, that would support the channel a lot. Thanks so much. We're here on the smaller time frame, and you can see that the market likely, the idea is that we bottomed in August in a wave B. This is everything I showed you, just zoomed in. You see the yellow trend line coming down here, yeah. From this B wave low, the market might actually be unfolding in a C wave to the upside. So this C wave up could be unfolding as a 5-wave move. So wave 1, wave 2 already done. Third wave could be unfolding right now, but because wave 1 is a 3-wave move, wave 3 should also be a 3-wave move. That's just based on Elliott wave rules and guidelines. I don't really want to go there now. As part of our gold membership, we offer a course, a full course, so you can learn everything around Elliott wave if you're interested. Or you could also just buy the book from not my book. I wish I had one. No, Robert Prechter's book, Frost and Prechter, they are called. The authors, the Elliott wave principle. Yeah, it helps you understand structures better. But it's like decades old, guys. So it's things have changed a little since then. So looking at but still a good foundation, right? Looking at the structure here from the swing low in September, we have a 3-wave move up, so I consider this to be an A wave. It might get another high, but that wouldn't have an impact on structure. So that would be the A wave. The B wave support area, we have to be prepared for a B wave pullback from here, because the A wave is long enough. It has a completed 3-wave move. Okay, we always can get another extension. A waves can also be 5 waves, but as I said, it wouldn't really impact the structure. Support is between 80.8 and 85.8 cents. That would be support for the B wave, and from there then maybe a breakout in a C wave to the upside can unfold. That would be ideal, and take the price eventually above this trend line. So maybe over the weekend. I mean, that's something we have to consider. I have not seen yet the start of that B wave, but maybe over the weekend we'll start that B wave. The support area is clearly defined. I mean, that's essentially what we need to be watching, and then we have to pay attention to daily shifts in momentum. For now, the momentum still seems to be up. But be prepared for a B wave pullback. Support is defined. If we get another high, we'll adjust support slightly, but it will have to change with price as long as we still go higher. That's the update on ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to join us on X, for further news, updates, and much more. And if you want to learn more about Elliott Wave, get even more updates, check out our gold membership. The links are in the description. Also on the weekend, again, every Sunday, we're running our MCO live. It's always very popular. Always try to extend it even more. because there are always requests. So yeah, that's going to be on Sunday at 5 p.m. UTC for members. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.